You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Last time on SV Full Send, Jason heads back home to Chicago for ACL surgery and rehab, and I took SV Full Send all the way to Jacksonville so we could prepare to haul out, repair the boat, and paint the bottom with the help of our friend Leslie. Well, after a 2-hour delay, finally got into Green Cove Springs. That way the tide wasn't at low tide. Had some issues with a 6.6 draft. Had to pretty much push through a little bit of mud. She's all prepped and ready for a 7 a.m. haul out during high tide tomorrow. So, just got to bear with it one more night. And then we'll see how bad the bottom is after staying in the ICW for over 2 months. I'm assuming there's going to be a ton of growth, lots of barnacles. But get it out, pressure wash it, scrape it, and then start getting ready to do everything hole related. As you can see, this is a pretty high pier. This is where they used to dock the old destroyers. Got a line of people behind me. Pretty excited to start getting things done and see how things progress. Getting moved to the dry work yard right now. Final spot's just down right over here next to this other boat. After all the stands and blocks are in place, you finally get out of the lift swing. It's time to get to work now. Meanwhile, Jason is having a blast in Chicago, taking in late graft-up parties and Chicago Cubs games. That is when he isn't busy with rehab. So today's Saturday, June 29th. Got Leslie here helping out. We are replacing the engine mount. So getting the ratchet strap ready, doing an extra halyard so we can lift it up just a little bit to get the new one in.
These are loose, so if we can lift the engine, we can pull that old mount on and put on the new mount.
Got the topping lift holding the boom up.
Yeah, we need to get. Out.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Look at that.
It's probably destroyed. So here, take that.
Yeah. Wow.
Can you lift up the engine again?
Yeah, give me
Put one washer underneath and one washer on top.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Please don't put it down. Okay, go ahead.
Good?
Good. You're mounted.
It's all mounted now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Well done, sir.
We'll just spray paint it.
Not too bad, just gotta spray paint and
All good.
that way it doesn't rust and break and shear off like it did last time. Another casualty of our crossing of the Gulf Stream was that we also lost our companionway steps, which made it pretty difficult getting up and down, so we knew we needed to get that fixed. After buying some thick oak plywood, we started cutting it to the shape of the companionway steps, giving it some extra reinforcement with the extra wood. After we cut all the wood, we sanded it to a nice smooth surface, then stained the wood before applying a nice coat of epoxy to create a watertight seal. New companionway, looks like it's a rock star fit, so now all we gotta do is get it epoxied and stain it.
Yeah, make it all sexy again.
One less thing. Yep.
Dude, solid.
Yeah.
We have to compress this just enough to get the goddamn bolt through. See what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, go down. Okay, open the door, quick. Ah, I got it.
Oh, baby.
All right, let's see. Damn. That's hard. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Screw I nut, I bolt.
Oh yeah. Got some stairs. No more jumping and leaping. So that'll be good. Jason is preparing to head back down to SV Full Send, and he decided to touch up on his sailing skills on Lake Michigan. My good buddy Nick from West Point decided to come down and join the boat for a few days to help out.
Yeah,
What's good?
he's some fucking shit show. It can work.
Nothing's working.
Nothing works. I.e., we're in the dock.
Dry dock, yeah.
But I do know Plan D is slowly becoming Plan A.
All right, well, it's Monday, July something, I don't know, and we're getting ready to do some fixes on the old dinghy.
Got 3 holes. You got one here,
One there,
got one here,
right there, and
you
then
got one right here.
this one, which is the most concerning because it's right on the seam, and apparently you're supposed to take that to professionals to get fixed. We're gonna try and put on the patch kit repairs that they gave us. Waiting on the old epoxy or whatever the glue is to dry.
Rubber cement.
Rubber cement. Unfortunately, the patches we put on the dinghy still had leaks, so we switched gears and started to focus on working on the outboard engine, which had stopped working on the way up from Miami and prevented me from being able to get to shore. After we finally got the outboard started, we noticed a water intake and outtake issue.
Alright guys, check it out. Don't mind my B cups. Let me start with this. So we have an internal issue going all the way up. We don't know where it is. We know it's not down here. We know it could be starting from here, but we don't have the tool to get that out, the extender. and it could be in this shaft, which is solid metal, which you don't take apart. It's welded. Okay, so we said, okay, let's start at the top, work our way down. Start at the top, can't get it out.
Right there, right there.
About 4 bolts. Can't get out this one without an L-shaped ratchet, which
and
we
I
don't
can't
have.
see it, but right down here is another little screw that we can't
But
get to.
we have an ace in the hole. It's called Jason Kruger. He'll be out here in a couple days. He'll get this.
If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and help support us on Patreon.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.